Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 20th January. And first of all, national news. Sri Ramnath Kovind launch Responsible Nations Index. Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed the UAE's president in Delhi. Foreign envoy flocked to meet BNP chief Tariq Rahman ahead of polls. Jazz terrorist hideout located at altitude of 12,000 feet busted in Jammu and Kashmir. Nitin Nabin filed nomination set to take over as BJP chief on 20th January. Odisha minister said no Nipah virus scare, Bengal situation being monitored. Now international news. India flag targeting over Ukraine war urge Poland not to support Pakistan. Trump linked Greenland threats to Nobel Peace Prize snub. CEO of Iran's second largest telecom firm fired for failing to block internet. The number of newborns decreased the most since 2020 in China. Now, sports news. Ravindra Jadeja sent worrying message by R. Ashwin after New Zealand flop show. Not easy. Novak Djokovic equaled all-time records, won his 100th match at Australian Open. Now, business-related news. Silver price surge crossed rupees 3 lakh per kg mark. The World Economic Forum's annual meeting started on January 19 and will go on till January 23. And that's all in news. Thank you.